हेलो साथी हो आए है त म के छ सन्चै आरामै हुनुहुन्छ सो आज चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई हाउ टु मेकिङ फेलाफेल फेलाफेलको रेसिपी सेयर गर्न गइरहेको छु है। यसको लागि हामीलाई चाहिन्छ चना, बागधुनिस, सिमला मिर्च, अनि त्यसपछि हामीलाई चाहिन्छ प्याज, प्याजपछि हामीलाई चाहिन्छ थोरै लसुन। यति भएपछि हाम्रो फेलाफेलको लागि चाहिने सम्पूर्ण सामानहरू पुग्छ। सो हामीले काट्दिउँ फक एकदम फास्ट, स्लो गर्ने त कामै छैन, फास्ट 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 कटिङ हान्दिउँ। त्यसपछि सबैलाई एकै ठाउँ जम्मा गरौँ अनि प्लेटमा राखेर मिक्स हान्दिउँ अनि बनाउन थालौँ ल है त। भनेको ट्याक्कै एउटा कस्टमर आइहाल्यो। अब कस्टमर आउनु भएछ त सामान पनि बेच्नु परिहाल्यो भनेर सामान बेच्न लागे। त एउटा केब्दाको अर्डर दिनु भएछ त अब केब्दाको अर्डर पहिला दिन्छु त अनि फेलाफेल बनाउँछु भनेर कस्टमरलाई चाहिँ पहिले अर्डर दिन्छु भनेर छिट्टो अर्डर हान्न गएछु। सो आई एम गोइङ टु मेकिङ दिस इज अ केब्दा। सो Arabic food. Arabic people is mostly like the falafel, kebda. Bas. Mostly like. So I am going to talking about the English. Can you understand English language, guys? Are you understand English language? If you understand. Otherwise, just watching my video, okay? Because I am going to talking English. I like English language, and I am very talented in English. So, kebda is ready, and I give fast, give to customer, and I am going to making falafel. Okay, guys. Fast, so fast, working. Customer need. So guys, the order is totally completed, and I am going to take money from customers and fast. के भन्छ अरे mixing the all thing and missing. Oh no. कस्तो मैले फेरि बिर्सेँ यार। So piecing everything is piecing, and after piecing all thing and then I am saying okay, just watch continue watch, okay guys. So my English is very important. My English is very talent. My English is very nice. Nice English talking. I am very talented because I am like to going America, Australia, European also. I am going to one day into America. So practice man is. So practice. I always practice in English. So I am going to now. I am very talented in English. So I am talk only always English like this. Continue. I am going to English. I am eating English, dancing English, singing also English. Always English. So I am talented now very talented I am. So I think now nobody can beat me in English language. I am Italian, खतरो Italian, dangerous people I am in English. So finished and put jeera powder, haldi powder, खुर्सानी powder, noon, custard, salt, and mix, parang, mix. Ranky, mix. And after mixing, fry is oil. I'm going to eating, tasty. Hi, I'm going to taste, yaar. I'm going to taste. Oh, yes, I'm going to taste. So fast. I go fry is oil. And going to taste what is the taste of falafel. And there is, I check the customer is coming or not. After confirm the customer is now on. So I am going to fast eating. Going to eating. Oh, okay, waiting a cheese and put the falafel. After that I make eggs, tomato ketchup, chili sauce and के भन्छ अरे जे भन्छ खाइदिन्छु पहिला ग्वाम्की and I'm going to eating guam. Wow. एकदम मिठो छ. Please somebody come to kiss my hand, please. Wow, my hand is so के भन्छ so important, so nice, so useful and right, so useful, right hand. My hand is making so tasty food. So please somebody, everybody. So everybody, please like, comment and share my video. Just today, enough for today. Bye.